Today, I want to talk to you about a link building tool called MoneyRobot that we use in our business. Now, MoneyRobot is the best backlink building software for ranking websites, affiliate sites, and videos on the first page of Google and YouTube. And it does this by creating powerful, high-quality Web 2.0 blogs and other website platforms. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do and how fast it can be done. So here we are inside MoneyRobot. All we do, click on New Campaign. Once we're here, we're going to choose from one of the included diagrams. For this example, we'll use the 1-3-12. Now in this diagram, MoneyRobot is automatically going to create this tiered network of blogs for us. These blogs on Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Now all of these blogs on Tier 3 will be linking to the ones on Tier 2, which will be linking to your Tier 1 blogs, and then passing all that power and link juice directly to your money site or your video. Now let me show you how easy it is to get this set up. In the left-hand column, all we have to do is enter our money site URLs or videos, the keywords we want to rank for, and our article content. After that, MoneyRobot will do everything else, from creating the email accounts to verifying them, creating the profiles, and building this entire network. So all we have to do is enter a few URLs first. We're going to enter a couple websites and a YouTube video. Next, we're going to enter a few keywords we want to rank for, and then we're going to click Create Unique Articles. And what this is going to do is MoneyRobot is going to use its own article builder system and these keywords to create a unique spinnable article that is going to be submitted as it creates the blogs throughout this network. Now once this content is generated and populates, we can do more by embedding YouTube videos as well as images. Now since we are ranking a YouTube video, we're going to add it within our article. Add the link, insert, and it's automatically added. Next we can preview. We can see the title of the article, our YouTube video, the content, and our link. We can spin the article over and over and see every time the content will change as well as our link. Next, all we have to do after filling this information is click Start Campaign. Now once we start the campaign, MoneyRobot is going to do everything else. It's going to go out and start creating the accounts automatically for us. Now there's a few other tools and features in MoneyRobot that makes it so powerful. First is the MR browser. The MR browser allows you to create and manage social accounts. Next, there's a social, video, and traffic tab. The social tab allows you to add social likes and shares for your URLs. The video tab allows you to add real views and likes to your video. And the traffic tab will send search engine traffic to your URLs. All of these will help increase and rank your websites and your videos in both Google and YouTube. A couple other things about MoneyRobot. You do not need to have your own proxies, you don't need to have your own CAPTCHA service or your article rewriting or spinning service because it's all integrated and built in with MoneyRobot. If you haven't already, I highly recommend you download the 7-day free trial and test it out for yourself. I think you're going to love it.